Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Kindle. First, ensure your Kindle is fully charged, which usually takes about 4 hours for a complete charge. Then, power on your device and follow the on-screen prompts to select your desired language. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for downloading updates and accessing your content. Finally, register your Kindle to your Amazon account, linking it to your digital library and purchases. Once your Kindle is set up, it's time to personalize your reading experience. You can easily adjust the font size and style to find what is most comfortable for your eyes, with many options available. For added security, set up a device passcode to protect your personal information. Explore various display settings, such as dark mode, which can reduce eye strain in low-light conditions. Finally, organize your growing library into custom collections for easy navigation and access. Now that your Kindle is personalized, let's get some content onto it. You can browse and purchase millions of ebooks directly from the integrated Kindle store. For personal documents, simply send them to your unique Kindle email address. If you are an Amazon Prime member or Kindle Unlimited subscriber, you can access thousands of titles for free. Remember to sync your device regularly to keep your reading progress updated across all your Amazon devices. To ensure your Kindle provides the best experience, here are some essential tips. Always keep your Kindle software updated to benefit from new features and improvements. Protect your device from accidental drops and scratches with a sturdy protective cover. To maximize battery life, which can last for weeks, turn off Wi-Fi when you are not actively downloading or syncing. Periodically restarting your Kindle can also help resolve any minor performance glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.